Hi guys, this is 777 Lover here with another model aircraft review. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Emirates Boeing 777-300 extended range in scale 1 to 200. So I had purchased this model at the Emirates official store for approximately 22 US dollars, which in my opinion is a good price for this model. So first I'll quickly show you around the box. So up front we have a computer generated image of a Boeing 777-300 extended range. Then we have Emirates written here, emiratesofficialstore.com. On the bottom we have Boeing 777-300ER scale 1 to 200, Emirates official license product, and it's pretty much the same on all four sides. And on the back you have the specifications of the 777-300ER, a computer generated image of the aircraft. The registration of this aircraft is A6-EGH or Alpha 6-Echo Golf Hotel. So that's pretty much it for the box. Now I'll assemble it. So here are the two wings of the aircraft. Here's the main fuselage. The two horizontal stabilizers along with the tail. And finally you have the stand. So now let me just quickly assemble it. So here is the main fuselage. Here is the left wing. The right wing. Let me do the horizontal stabilizers next. So here's the right horizontal stabilizer, the left one, and finally you have the tail. And there she is, a beautiful aircraft. So let me just show you the details of the aircraft now. So up front we have the cockpit windows, Boeing 777-300ER. We have the first Joe, then we have the Emirates titles in gold, www.emirates.com. Moving on, we have Emirates written in Arabic. The engines here, the beautiful G90-115B engine with Emirates written in Arabic. Moving on to the wing detail, you have the rect wingtip followed by the good flap and spoiler detail on the wing. Moving to the rear of the aircraft where we have the last two doors, the registration of the aircraft, that is A6-EGH, and you have the beautiful Emirates tail with the UAE flag. Moving to a front view. Okay, so there it is, and you can see the good detail on the engines. On this side everything is pretty much the same except for the addition of cargo doors. So you have one cargo door here and we have two more cargo doors back there. So here is a back view of the aircraft. Okay, so there it is, and let me just quickly assemble the stand. Okay, so here's the stand. It says Emirates Boeing 777-300ER scale 1 to 200. And there it is, a beautiful aircraft. Let me just put it like that, and there we go, really stunning model. And let me just show you some different views. So this is the left side of the aircraft. Here's a front view. The right side. And finally the back. So that's pretty much it for this review. It's a really nice model, and as you guys know by my channel name, I absolutely love the 777-300ER. It is my favorite aircraft, and I'm definitely glad I got to fly on this beautiful aircraft 5 times in 2016, and also to start 2017 with a ride on this beautiful aircraft. And I hope to travel on this aircraft sometime soon again. So that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.